Hello doctors, a very good evening to all of you. Hope you guys doing absolutely fine. This is Vishnu Kansim. Welcome to Study in Admission Lab. Today we're gonna discuss about the NEET PG 23 counseling latest update. That when your counseling can begin. There are multiple of the rumors as well as the newspaper article are publishing that your NEET PG 23 counseling can begin very soon. They are not providing any kind of that. But if I talk about some rumor or some people are saying that from their sources they are having a information that your PG 23 counseling can begin May end. So in this video we gonna discuss about exactly when your NEET PG 23 counseling can begin. I'm not gonna talk on the behalf of that what we have already explained that in Supreme Court this happened XYZ. I'm gonna talking in this video on the behalf of what NB is saying by their notification. Yes, they has published a notice. As per that I'm gonna talk about, as well as in this session we're gonna discuss about the low budget fee private colleges of medical colleges. The low budget fees of private medical colleges which gonna increase, as well as we're gonna discuss about the NMC bill implementation. Yes, what's the latest update about it, what the states are going to take their further steps for NMC. So these all things information will be available in this video. So before that, if you're new on this channel and if you haven't to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as Telegram channel Admission Media, do subscribe it, because whatever your latest update about counseling or this fee structure will be keep posting you there. As well as very soon we will be starting our paid membership things, that how to proceed for counseling, and these details will be available very soon in our paid membership. So if you haven't taken our paid counseling or the basic counseling, then our slots are limited, few slots are vacant. If you willing to join us, you can join us and make the payment, and the complete detail can be available at admissionmedia.in website. As well as if you're looking for the low budget private or the low budget management or NRI seat, or if you are unable to make an NRI document and you want to proceed only for the management seats, then what can be the steps for you, how you can do your seat and how to proceed for that, what can be your expected budget. For these details also you can contact me on the given number below. बात करते हैं कि नीट PG 23 काउंसलिंग एग्जैक्टली व्हेन इट गोना बिगिन. ऑलरेडी ऑन द 31st of March 2023, NB has updated a letter asking the colleges or the hospital or different DNB hospitals if they willing to increase their DNB diploma seat. That is, if they are willing to increase their NB diploma seat, they can submit their request by the last date of 28th of April 2023, and the last date of submitting the document, the spiral of the body and the complete detail via offline mode is 15th of May 2023. Means simply if there is a hospital and they want to increase their seat or they want to have a NB diploma seat, then they have to submit an online request. As well as for those they have to support, they have to also send a supporting document in a spiral bond to the NB by the last date of 15th of May. Simply, if the seat increment process or the last date of applying a seat for NB diploma is up to the 15th of May, then counseling can't be begin from the 16th of May itself, because in one day the infection can happen, the approval can't be granted to all the hospital. Minimum to minimum it will take approximately 15 to 20 days or up to a month to verify the documents, to check into the documents and to allot the seat. If the seat increment process or the NB diploma seat increment process will be the last date of applying for it itself up to the 15th of May, then counseling can't be begin from the May end itself. Maximum probability is that counseling or the notification can come somewhere around mid-June, and the counseling can begin only in the July. Before that it won't be possible. They have already stated in the Supreme Court also, they have mentioned from the 15th of July we will be doing our counseling. In that they haven't mentioned that round 1 will begin from the 15th of July, notification will come on 15th of July, or the round 1 result itself or the joining will be from 15th of July. This point is contradictory. We have already explained and we have supported multiple of the facts that what can happen, what cannot happen in our other video. If you haven't watched that, do watch it. The link of that video will be in our description box. Now if I talk about the seat increment or the fee increment, we have already continuously saying that in this session all the states of India in their state counseling the fees will be increasing. For now, the Telangana state has already published a notification in which they have asked all the colleges of their state to support to send their increment fees that up to what they are looking for PG 23, 24 and 25 session. In that they have to submit all the document, how many salaries you are paying and eligible things. Means if you have to increase your fees, you have to support, if you have to send your document that why you want to increase, how much you want to increase, and the committee will look into it. Already if I talk about another part, UP in the north, in UP 2021 the same fee structure applied for the 22 session also. At that moment they said we don't have time to increase your fees and to look into the things. In this session we have already almost 2 to 2.5 months to begin the counseling, and all the states are actively participating in these things. In this the Bihar has already, if I talk about the NMC bill implementation 50% draft copy which was available on the official website of government or the things has been removed. In that they have mentioned that all those deemed universities having fees higher than 21 lakh per annum will have to reduce. On the other hand, if a state private college having a fees of 11 to 12 more than that, they have to reduce it. That draft copy has been removed from the website. What does it mean? What can happen? We all know. You guys already know what can happen. If I talk about the NMC bill implementation can happen in this session or not, maximum probability is there. There are enough time to have a Supreme Court case and PIL for everything. It's already a mandatory law which has been passed from the Lok Sabha that NMC bill has to be there. Yes, there can be some modification in that, but NMC bill will be there. In this session, if it happens, then what can be the effect? If the Bihar state has already taken their decision, they have already mentioned if NMC bill is coming, we are more than happy to welcome it. Whatever the fees will be reduced in private colleges for the 50% government seat, we will be adding those fees to the other 50% private. Means the fees increment is confirmed. UP has already stated a letter. In Telangana, the official letter is here. On the 31st, we will be saying that letter or the notice in our Telegram channel, Admission Media. You can find it there. So, if I talk about how to proceed for the counseling or the what can be the low budget for this session, the low budget what we heard about 8 to 12 per annum will be changing somewhere around 15 to 20 itself. Earlier which was low budget, now that low budget will be vanished. Earlier which was mid budget will be now the low budget private medical colleges. How to proceed for that? If you going through counseling through some software which are already explained by me, that if you looking just on the behalf of last year cutoff, there was multiple of the things which had happened in the last session. Due to that the cutoff or the things happened a very positive shift compared to last session. If I talk about in this session, we all know this was the last need as already stated by the health minister itself that from next session it will be next. The clip is already available on Telegram channel as well as YouTube channel, you can watch it. So if this is exactly the last need, all the candidates who are eligible or gonna be eligible after this revised cutoff will be taking this seat. And I have already explained that why there will be a negative shift in the counseling. If NMC bill is coming, then there will be a positive shift in the counseling for the government seats. But if I talk about the low budget private colleges or the management seat prices or the negotiation part, you can imagine that what can be the expected budget for that. So if you planning your counseling totally in the, if you looking mainly for the low budget private colleges and planning this on the behalf of last year cutoff or the software which are available in the other, many people are providing that. On the behalf of that, believe me, those won't be possible. You can take it as a reference, but if in a fees will be increased in UP, the effect can be shown in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana also. At the same time, if fees is increased in Telangana, Andhra and Karnataka, the same effect will be shown in UP, Bihar, Haryana. All the open states of India will be affected by this. So you have to plan your counseling as per this. If you planning to counseling and if you proceeding, how to go for it, and if you looking the low budget private colleges, then how to proceed. Even if the NMC bill is coming or not coming or the fees is increasing, then what can be your minimum budget for the seats, how to proceed for them. For those details, you can avail our paid counseling as well as the basic counseling. For paid counseling guidelines, you can register at our website admissionmedia.in, and for the other details, you can contact on me on the given number. If NMC bill is coming, then what can be the fees, and then as well as what can be the seat matrix, how to proceed for this. These details are already available with us. We will be sharing in our latest videos very soon. But if you coming in paid counseling or the basic registration, we will be providing your counseling, or we will be planning your counseling as per that only, because in this session a counseling or the counselor is not gonna help you. According to us, a counselor is the people who gonna help you, or who is knowing the things before the time. Yes, before the time I am speaking, because the multiple of the new things will be happening in this session. The new rules will be coming at the same time. If you weren't aware and if you planning to make your changes at the last moment, then you have to drop a seat, or it might be possible that you won't be getting a seat, or you will be getting a seat as per not your rank, or the if you suppose you are getting a good college, but till now, but after round 1 if you are coming, or the mop-up round you are coming, there can be a rule that in round 2 there won't be any fresh registration. Yes, there are multiple rules will be coming, which will be explained in our next videos. But if you're looking for the paid or premium counseling, or the low budget management, or the NRI seats, how to proceed for it, how to make a document, and all those details are already available with us. Very soon we will be starting our process. Those people who have already paid to us, will be connecting with them very soon, and we will be providing the details. If you're looking for the paid counseling, you can contact us. For now, this is it in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.